So this is a guide of how to use your Kona TV. Once you're in the app, you're going to get a guide. This is the Kona TV guide that I have in the link. And you can just kind of scroll through here. It shows you what's on TV. It loads very fast, very efficient. So once you get to the show that you want, you can click on it once. When you click on it once, it will show it in the preview corner in the top left. You click the center button twice and it'll open it full screen. As you can see here, it's got every channel that cable TV has. So it's identical to your cable TV box once you get the app opened up. So here I'm going to show you kind of a preview. Here we'll go to, let's see, Family Guy. Click it, opens up immediately. Real clean, crisp pictures. Works very fast. Here's Jurassic World. It's a very quick system. No buffering. Doesn't take a lot of internet. You can run it off your Wi-Fi hotspot. So if you go over to the left here, you can go down to movies. You can go to all movies. And then this is all the movies. There's 70,000 movies on my server that you can watch. These are movies that are on Netflix. These are movies that are on Paramount Plus. Same thing with the shows. You can go to all shows. It's all the shows that are on Netflix, Paramount Plus, Hulu, Amazon Prime. All the movies are in here. The best way to do it is to search what you want to watch. So we'll go to F1. F1 is a newly released movie. I just watched it. It's very good. So what you do is you click on that F1 movie, and then you'll click on the play button in the bottom left corner. It'll take a minute to load. Doesn't take long at all. And then it'll start playing immediately. The volume, the sound, the picture, very great quality. Doesn't take long at all. There it is playing now. So it's real simple. To get out of it, what you're just going to do is you're going to hit the back arrow once. That'll bring you back to this. You'll hit the back arrow again. It'll bring you back to the search bar. So we can search, we'll search Landman now. It's a movie that's on Paramount Plus. It only is on Paramount Plus. So I'll show you that you can get all those videos and movies on this app. The way this app works is it's not like you get a full guide of pictures like you do on Netflix, Paramount Plus. You can if you use all movies. So here it's playing already for us. We'll go ahead and just fast forward real quick so you can kind of see that even when you fast forward, it's a pretty quick process. So this software, you don't use your Netflix logins. You don't use your Paramount Plus logins. It's all built into my software, my system. You can go to the movies tab and see it. Like if you go to the shows tab, you can go to all shows. We'll go to some Netflix shows here. So it says NF, that's a Netflix show. Let's see if this one does it. I don't think this one does, but I'll take you to another one right now. It'll bring up the actual Netflix logo like you're actually watching Netflix. And then you'll see that it actually reaches out and grabs those movies off of Netflix for you to watch. So you don't physically log into Netflix. So we're here in the guide. Now it brings up the Netflix. And here's your Netflix movie. So the main thing about this box is you can get rid of your cable TV. You can use the TV guide just like regular cable TV. If you want a list on... So here's my cable TV guide. It's going to say Kona Cable TV. There's my list. If you want this to work like you do have a Netflix, where click on Netflix, it brings up all the pictures of the shows. It doesn't quite work like that, but if you know what you want to watch, everything is on here. The biggest feature of this box is cable TV.